For this no-bake chocolate cake, you want 11 ounces by weight. So let's go get these melted. All right, every 30 seconds or so, give it a stir to get the heat evenly distributed. My cream cheese isn't quite soft enough, so I'm gonna throw this in the microwave for just a couple of seconds. And our sugar. All right, and then our butter. All right, so I misread the recipe and I needed 1.5 cups of chocolate. And I put 11 ounces because I misread. It was 11 ounces of the cream cheese, but I'm just gonna go just a little shy on the chocolate. We need 2 cups of whipped topping, chocolate pie crust right there. If you want to make your own homemade using Oreos, our Dining on a Dime cookbook, just follow the graham cracker pie crust in here and it's exactly the same. The recipe is also on our website, livingonadime.com. The link for the cookbook, 25% off, and the recipe is in the description below. All right, then we're gonna put this in the refrigerator for a couple of hours until it has set up. Okay, now you don't have to get all fancy schmancy, but I got these piping bags here for $1 from a restaurant that was going out of business. So I'm gonna get all fancy schmancy. You can just dollop it on there if you want. Okay, believe me, dolloping just goes much quicker. Well there, that just added decoration to the top.
That looks great.